How's it going, everyone? So I've been wet sanding on my car. I just got done polishing it. It doesn't look perfect. There's some swirl marks and some sand marks in the car that I'll work out later, but it looks better than it did. So here it is. See how it's starting. Not horrible. There's no throttle. Oh yeah, guys, she's running good. Can't wait to get her back to the track. Ordered a fuel pump for it, so when it gets here, I'll be able to take care of that. And it should take about 2 weeks-ish for my torque converter to get back. When it gets back, I'm going to drop the transmission and put a pump in it and put that torque converter in it. But I mean, as you've seen, it's not leaking. It doesn't start to leak until it gets hot, and then it's just a tiny little drip. But I'm not going to take it to the track and chance it blowing out. And then this thing, I took that other video last night. This is Sunday, and I started sanding on it. my plan is I'm going to sand it all nice and flat. It flattened out okay, I guess. It's not perfect. I mean, you can see where I started sanding it. So I got some more sanding to do, but the paint's not quite dry enough yet. So this car is in no rush to get done, so I'm just going to let it sit. And you can see all the bugs that are in it. We're going to have to sand all that out. And you can see the reflection's not great. But here's a spot where I polished it just for fun after sanding it to see what it would look like. It's going to get another coat. I'm going to do wax remover to get this off, but you can see what it's going to look like. Boy, does that look good. So her paint job is going to look significantly better than the paint job on my car, because I'm not going to put that lacquer clear on her car. I'm going to sand this and get this coat completely flat, wet sand it, polish it, make it look really good. And then in about 2 months from now, I'm going to buy... Sorry guys, I don't know where my phone messed up. But in the future, I'll wet sand it with like 1200 grit and clear over it with a 2K clear is the plan. So, but for now, it's just going to be a single stage enamel. And then, like I said, it'll look like that, which I mean, looks really good. So, and that's not done. I mean, this isn't even done being sanded yet. If you look real close, you can still see marks and shit in it. And by the time I'm done sanding it, I want this to be completely flat. No marks, no nothing in it, so the coat that goes on top of it can lay out flat and look really good. And then I'll do the same thing with that coat. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I don't really have much going on. Waiting on parts. And you guys know how it is. So, I appreciate the ones that stick around and watch the stupid videos anyways. Like, subscribe. If you want a t-shirt, hit us up on Facebook. Links in the description. Either all 3 Facebooks can get us. So, hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.